In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay images in Canva. Let's get right into it. Open your design in Canva. Any size or template works, and look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a panel with options like templates, elements, and more. Hover your cursor over Uploads. When you pause on it, the Uploads panel expands so you can see the images, videos, and files you've already added to your account. If your images are already there, great, you're ready for the next move. If not, just remember that this is the place you'll come back to anytime you want your own photos or graphics available in a design. With the Uploads panel open, find the image you want to place on top of your design. Now simply click and drag that image from the Uploads panel onto your canvas. Then release your mouse to drop it in. That drag and drop action is all it takes to overlay an image in Canva. As soon as it lands on the canvas, it sits on top of whatever's already there, which is exactly what overlay means. One image stacked above another. From here, refine the placement so your overlay looks intentional. Click and drag to move the image into position, and use the corner handles to resize while keeping the proportions looking natural. As you move things around, watch for Canva's purple alignment guides. They help you center elements or line them up neatly with edges and other objects. If you're layering over a background photo or a graphic, try nudging with your arrow keys for pixel-precise adjustments. A few quick tips to make your overlay look polished. Leave a bit of breathing room around key subjects so the design doesn't feel cramped. If your image has empty space you don't need, drag its side handles to crop visually, or reduce its size and reposition to keep attention where you want it. If the overlay feels a little too bold, place it slightly off-center or give it some visual contrast against the background so it stands out cleanly. And remember, you can always duplicate the element first if you want to test different placements without losing your original idea. That's all there is to it. Hover over Uploads to open your media, then drag and drop the image onto the canvas to overlay it. With those two actions, you can stack photos, add logos, or layer graphics to create depth and emphasis in seconds. Give it a try on your next design, and you'll see how quickly your layouts start to pop.